Oh, that made me feel weird.
Change your mind like a girl. Change your clothes.
My hair.
Now you be a mess like a bitch.
I would know.
I don't know what just happened.
That's great, bitch. Great.
Oh, thanks, man.
You're welcome, man. Stop calling me man. I'm gonna call you man.
Can I call you woman?
Can I call you it? Cousin, perhaps?
You are my cousin.
Cousin it?
Okay, then. I mean, it works.
I mean, it might.
I mean, it does.
If you didn't have such a huge penis.
I can't help it. I didn't choose for me to be this way.
I know, it was all your mom. My mother's name isn't Teresa, though. Her name is something I'm not allowed to tell him.
Krista.
You just told the world. Hey, Kendra's mom's name is Trudy. Trudy.
Trudy Bird.
Trudy Birdie. Trudy Birdie.
Trudy with the booty.
And a whole lot of it. She got it from her mama. It's okay. Don't hate. Don't be discriminate. Well, do you want to get hit in the head with a horn? No. Why would I? Elizabeth doesn't want to get hit in the head. But it can. Such as that.
Not you. Only you have the answer.
Only you can change. Only you can change your future. Only I can change my future.
Okay. That was it.
What's this?
Face.
Your lube? Of course you would have that.
It's for your hair.
Lube for your hair?
No!
What does this world come to? I swear to
No,
God.
make your hair curly.
The more things people start having sex with, I swear to God. Your hair, your pigs, cows, horses, cats, fish, donkeys, apricots.
Is that fruit?
No, it's a squash.
It's a fruit or a plant.
That's a parrot. That's an orange. Lollipop. He's clearly gay. His hair, his attitude, his prissy bitch. Hi, my name's Doug, and I like boys.